Hey guys, okay. I want to make this video just to document some of the problems that I'm having with my OP1 synth. But before that, I just want to state that I don't abuse my equipment. In fact, the OP1, I bought this, I guess you would call it during the first wave, when they just, that first batch that came out. And it has either been seated here, just like that, or there where the power CDs is. I've never brought it outside. I've never dropped it. I've never done anything, you know, uh, like I've never done that. And yet something weird is going on. And I've looked in certain forums like this one, and other sites, and I think it's iFixit. But anyway, here's the thing. All the time, no problem. Then about maybe 3 months ago, the speaker, like just one day without any sort of like prior warning or something, that for whatever, for lack of a better phrase, really. But it just quit. There was no sound, and I figured, okay, I can get that sorted out later, because this has become, and that's another thing. This has become quite an indispensable tool that I use. So it really sucks, but I figured, okay, look, I don't use the speaker really. I always use either headphones or the line out. So I said, you know what, just let me get my work done, and when I can, I will, tackle the speaker problem. Unfortunately, I think about maybe a few days shy of a month went by, and then one day I just, as per normal, turned it on, and it started behaving bizarrely. Now, it would do either three things. One is that you switch it on, nothing happens. You have to switch it back off and back on, like X number of times. There isn't a number. I even tried to find out if it's maybe like twice or three times. It's random. The second thing that might happen is it might turn on, but it would just show the boot screen, and it would just keep rebooting and rebooting and rebooting. The third thing, which, you know, I think is, well, as bizarre as the two of those were, but like the third thing is, it might look as though it's working, and I can go into all the different modes, and then suddenly it would just restart either on its own, or if I just like pick it up like this. Okay. Now, again, I've gone to forums. I'm not the most tech savvy person, so I emailed Teenage Engineering, and they said that have I taken a look at the power button? It could be dirty, and the problem is, I don't know, like, if it is, how do I clean it? And I I have popped open the back here. I've not done anything drastic. Like, I've never removed the screws and the thing that's like one of the washer. No, I didn't do anything like that. All I did was to look at there's a ribbon connecting cable sort of thing, and that was seated in place, and I didn't see any sign of dirt or anything. So I'm gonna just try and demonstrate this for you, and see what happens. It's really random. I have to state that another thing is, I don't think it's a battery problem, but if it is, again, because when it does sort of work, and hopefully it will at some point in this demonstration, you'll see that I have a fully charged battery. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it on, and okay, so turning it on now. Now, okay, now it boots up. Now everything seems to be normal. This is great. You know, I said, oh, okay, this is great. Everything's working. How about the battery? Well, let's see. Let's check the battery life. Well, that's good. Okay, so far, yeah, great. But sometimes all I have to do is lift it up. Now it's not doing it, but sometimes all I have to do is just that, just to lift it up or jiggle it a bit and put it down, and it will just restart. And that's what I mean. Look, it just before it did that, the whole LED strip went all the way red, then went right down and did that. So I don't know what the issue is. Now, if I have to replace the board, so be it. Um, but the thing is, I can't pinpoint if it's this or if it's something else. Um, if I need to replace the board, or if it's just a little thing that I can clean, and again, if I have to, uh, I will pay to replace the board, and you know I'll do the speaker whilst I'm at it, but I just need to know exactly what's going on so I can make the right decision. And I've, as I said, I've tried my best on forums and stuff like that, but this is probably the only way I can get to describe it without, I mean, I'm sorry if like I'm blabbering, but that's just me. uh I'm just it's just disappointing because I really love this company, and I don't think it's yeah, I mean, this is one of the, I've even got all the pocket operators and stuff like that. And there's the sub. I mean, and I've got the other three also, the newer ones. And I really like the company. I'm not trying to put them down. I just need to know like what's going on. Um, for example, when this first happened, I turned it on, and you saw like just now it's like, oh, it's working. And I worked for about an hour, and everything went off, and it was just very very like like you want to punch a hole in the wall kind of thing, because you've worked so hard on it and it's all gone. So guys, I really appreciate and thank all of you for watching. And if you could give me any constructive comments or point me in any direction, that would be great. That I'll really appreciate it. And I apologize for my blabbering. And you know what? I'm gonna do it again just to see what happens. I'm gonna turn it off again, and I'm going to turn it on. Now, see, you see that? Now, that's another thing. And then nothing. So turn it off, turn it on. And it keeps rebooting, but without the screen that you saw previously. And it goes into that mode. And again, and here's okay, you see? So I don't know what to do. I mean, nobody's here like messing around with it, so I don't know. Um, no, I don't know. This the final thing. I don't know if this is me, but like it seems like sometimes if I play here, it might be okay, but then like you just saw, it might just randomly reboot. But sometimes I might hit like this key and it will reboot, like this key or this key, and sometimes like these. It's very very random. So as you can tell, like Yeah, I mean, that's just my own sticker that I put there because the original came off. But I've not messed around with it. I've not done anything that would, you know, ruin it, stuff like that. And again, I hope there's somebody that can help me over here. Um, and again, my apologies for going on and on. And thank you very, very much for your attention. Bye, guys.